China, and it is very near to Shanghai. And if you buy from us, we can ship the goods to Shanghai seafood or airport very fastly because the distance between two cities are only about 100 kilometers. And in these years, we have done a lot of products related tools and hardware tools, and also some plastic products. And we have we have thousands of customers comes from all over the world. Our main market are U.S. market, European market. Some customers are from South Asia, and also we have customers in Australia and Canada. And we have more than 100 employees, and we have 5 production lines to produce a lot of products. And many of our customers are buying from us because our quality is very high, and also our service is very nice. For example, if many of our customers they just sent us his idea about a product, then we can develop the product as per the thought, as per their idea. If you want to make a plastic product, you just tell us the function of the product, and also tell us the size and the weight. Then we can make a simple drawing and send to you for confirmation. If you customer confirm the drawings, then we will start to make the mold. So many of our customers, they just give us a thought, give us an idea, so we can do complete from the design, from the produce to the final products. That's why many of our customers are doing business with us more than 10 years, and we have sold a lot and developed many types of products. And today, I'm glad to introduce our factory and show you our workshop. Here, our factory has more than 6,000 square meters, and this building has 3 floors, and it's only a part of our factory. Because here is only focused on making plastic products, and also we have another workshop which is not so far. It is nearby to make machining. Like in that machining workshop, we have many machines like CNC machining centers, CNC lathe machine, and also many machines to make the molds for the products. And this workshop is we have 5 production lines to produce the plastic products. We have more than 10 sets of the plastic injection machines, from small capacity machine to big capacity machine. And our machine can make minimum the size of the products from 2 millimeter to the big size, almost near 2 meter products. Okay, now please follow me and I will show you our workshop. Okay, let's go. Here this is our machines, injection machines. This is the plastic product we are making, and we are pasting the film on the cover to protect it. This machine is working. Because now it is lunchtime and our workers haven't come back from the lunch. So now we only start 2 or 3 machines. This is the automatic belt. Our machines, the brand is Hajin, a very famous brand machine in China, and the machine has a very high precision. Here is a circle up a part of the basket. It is plastic, PP material. This is a big machine. It is 316 tons. A very big machine. Here is our molds. We have this year we have developed more than 500 different types of the mold. Here is the brass, which stores our part of our mold. For example, this mold is making a plastic cup. The product from the machine and from the belt comes down from the belt. Then the workers will do the inspection and also will remove the burrs. We remove the burrs of every piece. Plastic case, the toolbox. It is for hand tools we make for our customers. It is PP material, and the material is very durable, thick, very strong box. And if you want to print your logo on the box, we can do that service to you. And also, if you would like to open the mold, then we can make your logos on the mold. the first floor, our working factory. Now I'm going to show you working office at the second floor. Here some tools we are making. This is the box, the plastic box we made by ourselves. This some hand tools, the plier, screwdriver, hammer. This is only a part of the products we are making. We just put here. Screwdriver. Also the plastic. This 53 hand tools. Different size of the socket. Ratchet handle. Socket from small size to big size. This also another set of the screwdriver. Here has a flexible shank. And the material is a CRV material, so it will has a much stronger surface, and the hardness is very high. It is almost more than 55 HRC. Okay, now let's move to the second floor. Here we are. This is our working office. This is our colleagues. Okay, that room is boss room. Okay, just look around and see. Now we are going to the third floor, our warehouse. Here is our warehouse. It's here. This is the raw material rack. We stock our raw material here, and we have make a list. This is the bomb, the big. Okay. This is a small part of our product. These products we are selling to customers who are selling at Amazon, and it is the handle of the product. Okay, now workers is do the assembling. We put every cartons very properly, and here are the goods are ready for dispatch to customers. Now we are doing the packing work. We're packing every product very properly. You can see that the box This is a product we are making. It is a valve. It is a keep valve, electric keep valve. The diameter is around 1 meters. 1 meter. So our machine can do the maximum around 2 meter product. Here are goods ready for dispatch. These are plastic beans. Here are some master cartons we make. We have different sizes according to the product size. We make different parts of the master carton to pack it. Here are also some molds we make, from small one to big one. We have developed more than 500 different types of the molds. This is also a part of our warehouse. The goods ready for dispatch. Here our workers are making the box. This box we customize for our customers. So if you want to make your logo, customize your logo or the packing, we can do this service for you. Also, if you want to sell the products on the Amazon directly, then you just send us the barcode and also send us the FB label. Then we can do the packing. For example, here is the products. Here is the products are going to UK. Go to UK Amazon warehouse. So we packed very properly. Some of our product. Okay, guys. Thanks for your watching. And if you are interested in our product, if you are interested in our factory, just send us a message, and our salesperson will contact you. And hopefully we can start some business very soon. See you next time. Thanks for your time. Bye.